In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or cancel a Google Ads account. Even though many people say cancel my account, what they often need is to remove a campaign so ads stop serving and spending immediately. That's exactly what we'll walk through here. Safely removing a campaign in Google Ads and knowing where to find it afterward if you need to review history. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple ones. Check the account name or ID at the top right so you don't make changes in the wrong place. Once you're in, let the dashboard fully load so all menus are available. Next, look to the page menu on the left and open the campaigns section. This is your master list of active, paused, and other status campaigns. If you have a lot of campaigns, consider using the search bar or filters to quickly narrow down to the one you want to remove. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to confirm you're not selecting a shared or seasonal campaign you might want to reuse later. If you're unsure, consider pausing instead of removing. Now, select the campaign you want to delete by clicking the checkbox next to its name. You can select more than one if you intend to remove several at once. Take a moment to double check the campaign names and budget so you're confident you have the correct selections. With the campaign selected, a toolbar appears above the table. Click the Edit drop-down and choose Remove. This action does not delete your account or billing profile. It only affects the selected campaign or campaigns. Removing is different from pausing. A removed campaign cannot be resumed, so be sure you're ready to make this change permanent. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm permanent removal. Read it carefully, then click Confirm to finalize. Once confirmed, the campaign stops serving ads immediately and will no longer accrue spend. Performance data remains available for reporting, so you can still analyze historical results later. After removal, the campaign status changes to removed. By default, the campaign's view may hide removed items. To see them, adjust your filters to show all campaigns or include removed statuses. This is helpful if you need to review settings, export data, or audit past performance. Remember, removed campaigns can't be edited or reactivated. If you need something similar later, create a new campaign using your preferred settings. That's it. You've successfully removed a Google Ads campaign. If your ultimate goal is a full account shutdown, note that account level cancellation is separate from campaign removal and handled in account settings, but the process we covered today stops ads and spend right away.